Merry Christmas, everyone. I've got one more quick holiday recipe to share with you that's a big tradition in our family, and that is a chipped beef cheese ball. My mother-in-law's family has had this recipe for years, and when I married into the family, I love it. It is delicious, it's easy to make, and my family loves it, my kids love it, my grandkids love it. So let me just share with you the ingredients. You're going to need 3 packs of cream cheese and softened at room temperature, a jar of the Armour dried beef, looks like this, and some Worcestershire sauce. And this is the best Worcestershire sauce, so I always buy this. So you're going to open up your cream cheese and put it in a bowl, and with very clean, freshly washed hands, all this needs to be mixed by hand. I'm going to grate this dried beef very quickly. You could put it in a food processor, but that's just one more big appliance that you have to clean. So I just grate it very quickly. This is so delicious, y'all. The guys in the family love this. It's a very meaty cheese ball. So you're finely grating this. It looks like that. Okay. So I'll come back in a minute and I'll show you how I pour everything in and mix it by hand. Okay, I've grated up the dried beef, my little grater, and I'm going to take about 3/4 to a half of this and leave enough that you can roll the ball in after you've formed it and mixed it. So I'm going to put this inside the bowl, and I'm going to leave this amount to roll the cheese ball in after I formed it. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. You could add more if you like, but we tend to like 3. And then you're mixing it by hand. Okay, now you just take your hands and you mix in the ingredients all together. Just squeezing and mixing. It smells so good. This can be served with Ritz crackers or any kind of specialty cracker. It's just a good, easy, fun cheese ball. And if you don't have time to make it for Christmas, you could always make it for New Year's. We pretty much have it year-round for special occasions, family get-togethers. I'll make a cheese ball because we love it so. So I'm incorporating the Worcestershire sauce and the chipped beef that's been shredded all together. And once you get it all mixed up, you just form it into a ball. Pat it and roll it until you get it in a nice ball. We've got a big storm headed our way this evening. They're talking about 50-mile-an-hour winds, so I'm going to go ahead and get all my cooking done in case we lose power. Let me get this cheese ball made and get a video shot so you all can enjoy this recipe. So there's the cheese ball. I'm going to go wash my hands real quick, and then we're going to roll it in the remaining shredded chipped beef. And now I'm going to take the cheese ball and just very carefully roll it in the beef to cover it completely. Hit all the bare spots. I probably should have left a little bit more to roll it in. That is basically it. See how easy that was? And it is so delicious. I usually put it in the middle of a pretty plate and surround it with crackers and serve it just like that. Very simple, Very delicious. Your family will love it. Okay, here it is all plated up with some crackers. And you just take a little bit of the dried beef cheese ball, spread it on your cracker. You've got cheese, you've got steak sauce seasoning and the Worcestershire sauce, and you've got chipped beef. The guys are gonna love this cheese ball. It is so delicious and easy to make. And I make it for holidays, birthdays, we make it all year round, and it's so good. If you try this recipe and you like it, please comment below and let me know what you think. Make it for New Year's, it'd be great. I'll take a bite. It's a family favorite. It is so good. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It's good. And I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas. Be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.